What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Clouded Barber, back at it with another video. I know I haven't been around for a couple of weeks. It's been crazy busy at work. But here I am dropping another video. I'm going to try to stay consistent. My buddy Kyle came in today for a mid skin fade, a little scissor up top. Very simple tutorial. So without further ado, enough of me talking. Let's get to the video, guys. Alright guys, right into the video, man. Alright, let's do this. So we're going in with our gold effects, creating our first ball guideline. Going in with our wall 1919s, lever fully open, creating our second guideline. Alright, lever half closed. And we're just working at that line, guys. We're going about half up into the first section that we created. Lever fully closed, and we're just tapping at that initial guideline that we created, just to tap it out, make it disappear, vanish into thin air. You know what I'm saying? Alright, got our number one guard, lever fully open, creating our third guideline. It's a very simple cut, guys, very simple. Alright, now we got our lever half closed, working at that line. And then we're going to go lever fully closed. It's not going to remove the line completely. We're going to have to pull out our half guard and just bang out that line. And there's the half guard. Alright, now we're just banging out that line. Lever fully open. Lever half closed and fully closed. Alright, now we got our 1.5 guard, lever fully open. Just tapping at that top line right before the parting. Just kind of take out those dark spots. We're going to go lever fully open, half closed and closed. We're going back in with number one guard, lever fully open, half closed and closed to take out any dark spots. It's coming together nice, guys. Not too bad. Like I said, very simple cut. Very simple. Alright, now we got our gold effects. We're basically lining up the vertical bars and whatever he's got left of his C cup. Because he did want to go zero fade, so not much of his C cup left. You know what I mean? Alright, and he wanted me to fade the beard into the hair, so basically we're just starting off with a one guard fully open, going in downwards motion, taking off any flyaways. Lever still fully open, just banging out at that beard. half closed and closed. Still not going to take the line away completely, guys, so we want to go in with our half guard. And we want to go lever fully open, half closed and closed. Still not fully disappear, guys. Now we go in with no guard, lever fully open, half closed and fully closed. And that should take care of the issue at hand. And I can't forget to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel, liking all my videos. And I'm sorry I haven't kept up to date. It's just been super busy at work, and I promised myself and you guys that I'm gonna stay up to date. So don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and leave any comments in the comment section below of any new videos, any new styles that you'd like to see me do. Thanks, guys. Alright, now we're going in with the razor and do a little bit of razor work. Smash out those vertical bars, smash out those C-cups. And always, guys, remember to stretch the skin as much as possible without obviously making your customer feel uncomfortable. And what we do to one side, we obviously do to the other side. Alright, now we're just wetting the hair, guys. So basically, we're wetting the hair. We're going to split it down the middle. We're going to cut the one side of the head and then use that as a guideline for the other side of the head. You'll see what I mean. So right now, we're cutting to his desired length. Alright, now we're taking our side that we just cut, using it as a guideline, and posting it up against the hair that we're cutting right now to match both sides so it's an even haircut. Alright, guys, so basically what we're doing here is called cross-checking. Just making sure all the hairs are even. You always want to cross-check after each haircut. Here for the bangs, I just pull up the hair, kind of pull it outwards towards the mirror, and just point cut it a little bit here and there, just soften up the line there. And now we're going in with a blow dryer, just styling it up a bit. Pretty self-explanatory. Alright, this is the before, guys. Looking kind of shabby, you know? Need that fresh cut, you know what I mean? And here's the after, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the cut. Anything else that you'd like to see, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. I do reply to all my comments, so feel free to hit me up anytime, guys. Thank you.